This video, we will take you to a quick short tour of Hyatt House in Fort Lauderdale, just so you can decide whether staying here is worth it, especially if you have a quick layover, you're heading on a cruise only 7 minutes away from Fort Lauderdale Airport and a few minutes away from the cruise port. Let's take a look. Alright, so this is the Hyatt House lobby. They have the H bar here. They do have a Hyatt House door. You can see water is $2.50, Tropicana is $3. Right off the lobby is a computer center. I think you can print your tickets and stuff from here, which I might end up doing. Here you got the elevators, and then in the morning this area turns into a breakfast buffet area. Now, because we are only staying here late night, we're not going to be able to show you guys the swimming pool area, but we'll definitely show you the room next. In total, there are 6 floors. We are on 4th floor. Okay, so let's walk over to room 431. So right next to the door, you got your fridge, your kitchen area, microwave. Very little counter space. You can see just a chair. It's probably one of the smallest Hyatt houses I've seen. Little cabinet here. I do see pots and pans. Yep. You got your utensils, your knives. There's plates in here. So you have everything, including soap and napkins for your stay. Next to the kitchen is your living room area. I'm wondering if there's a double bed in there. A working desk, TV, 2 double beds. Now you can see how narrow this whole space is. And here's the bathroom. That's the one saving grace in this room. The bathroom is nice and big. You got your closet, ironing board and hangers, and a shower. And here's another view from the other side of the room, so you can see the door, kitchen, living room, desk, couple of high windows, and over here, more storage space, couple of beds, and the bathroom. Very simple layout. Because the room is so tight, it doesn't really feel like a Hyatt house. We're so used to having big rooms, but for $120, it's a great bargain if you have a quick night layover or you have a cruise the very next day. I quickly lift the cushions, and yes, it is a sofa bed. So you have a double bed here, and you got 2 double beds there. So plenty of sleeping space, not a lot of running space if you have kids, and we have 2 boys, right? His and Isa. But overall, it's a great option for $129. As I'm waiting for my family to come, the entrance of this Hyatt House is very neat. Right in front of this Hyatt House is a Hyatt Place. Kind of cool to see 2 Hyatts side by side, giving you guys extra options. And it's surrounded by a mall. I wish it was daytime, and we could have driven you around, but you can check out the Google Maps. There's a Regal Theater there, and there's tons of mall shops, including a BJ's. And here's my family. Right when you enter. So I have an airport shuttle schedule, and how many passengers are already on that shuttle. That's pretty cool. Let's see what else is over here. Oh yeah, meeting rooms. So they do have some meeting rooms. Oh, here you go. Let's go inside the gym. Oh, that's pretty good. Typically Hyatt Place has couple of weight, so a lot of weights here. Look, the highest it goes is 30 pounds. Oh no, 45. Oh, 50. And they got 3 elliptical, a couple of cycles, and 3 treadmills. So pretty nice space. Workout room is open 24 hours. We're gonna head back to the room, and we'll pick this up early in the morning as we are rushing out, and we'll give our closing thoughts then. In the morning, and the glass is a little foggy, but you can see the size of the pool. So this wraps up our quick tour of Hyatt House. It's the next morning. We're heading out. Beds were comfortable, so we are gonna head out. Overall, it was a pretty decent stay for $129 for one room. If you have more than 4, you gotta get 2 rooms. I'm gonna say this was a good stay at the Hyatt House. So until next time,
Bye for now.
bye for now. We're heading down to grab a couple of extra blankets because the room and this hotel, like this lobby, is so cold. So we got 1 blankie. They only had 1 or 2 elliptical